welcome to G Creations. Today I will show you how to create an animated wireless earbuds box. Now look into the animation of the box. See the animation one by one, how it is going on. Now I will go for the creation. Go to the insert, take one shape, remove outline, then give the coloring. What we like the color, that color. Rotate. See, after rotating we need to adjust the corners for better image. Then height and width we need to change. Okay, after that give the shaping, then go for the shape options, shadow, it is okay, 3D format, okay, width make it to 20, height make it to 6.5, okay, material make it to metal, lightning balance natural, make it to 320 degrees as we comfort. Now it is good. Okay, now we are going to insert, take the shape of oval for the design what you want, remove the line, outline, shape, I think no shape, give the height and width, change the color, arrangement is done, okay, done, change the color, yeah, it's look nice. Okay, again insert shapes, take the circle, small circle, remove outline, color it is okay, remove outline, height and width we need to change 0.35, now it is okay, adjustment, okay, now give the shaping, okay, insert design, circle, remove outline, height and width we need to change 6.5, again go to insert, rectangle, remove the outer lines as well as height and width, remove outer line, okay, select 2 and go to format and subtract, now it is okay, cap is ready, okay, select the cap, now we are going to give the color and shapes as well as to cap also, give the format painter and change the shape options to 145 degrees, lighting angle we need to change, yeah, we change, arrange, okay, go to insert, so text box is going to be ready, title we are giving, color also ready, we are going to change the background color, then it will show the word, okay, now white color is appearing, make it center and drag to cap, make it is grouping, press Ctrl G, insert, shape, rectangle, remove outer line, change the color, adjusting, done. Type some text here for reference purpose. Whatever you want, you will type that text here. When you are creating the slides, make it these two as group, rectangle and text box. So now select cap and two groups. Another text box, make it color, make it center, okay, position okay, Ctrl D for duplicate, Ctrl D again. So we need like this 4, that is the reason we clicked as a Ctrl D for duplication, and we are changing the text. Okay, already changed. We are going to change the color also. One done, changing color. This is also green. This is also some, which color we need to put, pink. Okay, pink. Okay, now we need to change for the text color. Under the text color, make it as a green, changing text color, this one green, everything is done. So now grouping is going to be done. Ctrl G, grouped. So each and everything we need to do the grouping. Okay, fix it and click the send back. Do the send back, drag it, adjust. Plan 1 also going to be adjust. Title 3, title 4. Yeah, everything is perfect. Now we are going to take the animation for the earbuds box. We are doing the animation for the caps. Select all, add animation, line. Basically it is down, we are going to take the up. We need to change the position of the, okay, position of the text box. Select all, drag it down, not down, again drag it up. Oh, not like this, drag it up. Now it is perfect. Everything we need to give the delay for one by one, we need to get right. That is the reason we are giving the delay time. So as we seen previously, like this it will come. No, this is wrong. Again we need to do that one. From down it will come, so we need to change little bit up. Up. One check it. Yeah, now it is perfect. So this is our video, what I am going to explain you. So I forgot something. I need to put the text box, company logo. I am going to take the text box. Okay, what is the text box? Hello mate. Make it center. Go to format and text effects. This is okay. Drag it. Control D. Color. No. Text color we are going to give white. For duplication, again okay, again Control D for duplication. Copy title and symbols, paste. See, this what I am going to show you. Thanks to everyone for supporting my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If anyone are having doubts regarding about my videos, you can approach me in comment box.